Hey guys, and welcome to Gpn TV. Today we're going to talk about a rear brake cylinder, or front brake depending on the age of your car. Now, a lot of times we know what these things do, but we've never actually looked inside one of them. So I figured, why not give it a shot, tear one down, you can cut it open a little bit and we can learn something today.
Alright.
This is the wheel cylinder out of my 1994 Jeep YJ, and this came out of the Dana 35 rear axle. It is a very standard wheel cylinder. There isn't anything terribly unique about it. It has a hole here for fluid to go in. This is a bleeder hole, mounting screws, and then these are the little pistons that push out of it. Now let's get to tearing this down, but first I'm going to clean it up just a little bit. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off these boots on the end here. Each of these boots actually wrap around the little cylindrical piston, and you can see that it nests inside of that smaller diameter cylinder on the inside, and it's just held in there by the strength of the rubber boot. We get those out of the way, we'll use a pick and go inside here, and there's another rubber piece, and this is a seat for the other side. This also appears to be what retains the hydraulic fluid or the brake fluid. Take that pick and push the spring right on out. The spring does not seem to assist in pushing the pistons out when braking. Rather, it appears that the spring is going to keep those pistons from collapsing in on themselves when you release from the brake, and brake fluid is then sent back to the reservoir. I got a little bit of a mess to clean up, so we'll take care of that right away. And now it's time for us to take a look inside of the wheel cylinder itself. We could look down the barrel, but that's no fun, so we're going to go ahead and cut it in half. Flip it over real quick for better angle, and there we go. So check it out, guys. This is the inside of a wheel cylinder, and I even sectioned out the bleeder for you as well, so you can see what that's like. Pretty straightforward, a very, very simple device. This would just be a casting with a little bit of machine work and two holes here, and that's all it's going to take. And I almost forgot, I'd hate to forget this, there is a brass insert that is on the receiving end of the wheel cylinder. This fell out when I was cutting in half. Check that out. So that seats right in here, and then your brake line is going to come and seat right on the end of that brass. Brass is a much softer metal, and so it's probably used to create some kind of seal, which would make a lot of sense. Hey you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you learned as much as I did. If you want to watch a nearly identical video to this one, except one where I also light something on fire, yeah, you can check that out on Gone-Gpn. It's a new YouTube channel that I have recently got involved in. I encourage you to go over there. There'll be a link down below. Please hit that link, watch the video, and then hit the subscribe button. It would be really awesome if you guys could help out that channel as well. This is a new format that I'm trying. I don't plan on doing a lot of duplicate content like this one. This will be a bit of an outlier, but there will be a lot of exciting content on that channel and a lot of exciting content on this channel, so make sure you are subscribed to both of them. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.